Every letter has a name. Sounds are what they say. A says ah, ah, ah. B says b, b, b. C says k, k, k. D says d, d, d. E says ah, ah, ah. E says ah, ah, ah. F is for f, f. G says g, g. And H says ha, 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 ha. And I goes eh. 'Cause J says j, 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 j. And K says k, 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 k. L says M is M is N says And O is ah. P says p, 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 p. Letter sounds. Q is for queen. Qua, qua, qua. R says S says s. T says t. U says V says v. W says w. X is for x. Y says y. And Z is for zebra. And it says z. Now you know your letter sounds, and you